I mean, yeah, I mean, the services you provide are one thing, but it's the people that provide them. That's what people remember. I mean, the average homeowner doesn't care how great James Hardy siding is, right? Like they like to look at it. It's the experience they get when they're sold it, when it's installed, everything that goes into it. I mean, we're on the opposite side of that right now, and it's amazing. I'm like, oh, I want this, but it's the people that I bought. It's the product.
The communication, the processes.
Yeah.
Well, I do love Jesse too, because you talked about I call it the spirit of the business, right? And that's the energy you put into the family culture. Is we are taking care of families' homes, and it's a sacred space. They bring babies home, celebrate birthdays, holidays coming up, and if you put that mindset into the culture, and I do love that you said this, because you're breaking maybe a paradigm. It can be a winning family. Like, you're competitive. You want that drive. And I know I've got feedback. I do work with some of your team they've worked for bigger corporate cultures that don't have that family. And that's why they're there with you. They like the fact that you do care. And just because you care doesn't mean there's not accountability. There's not maybe going to be turnover, but it's creating a winning family starting at the top. And you guys have proved that. So I just like to point on that. And hopefully we're inspiring somebody listening who is trying to create that and doesn't have it. It is possible. And Jesse and Howie and their parents are proof of this, and the company they're building and continuing to grow, and the team that they have currently. It's pretty impressive, man.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Do you think it's helpful in what you're creating that Howie is involved in the same program that you are, like in our program, and that you have, Brian, and you have people to help reinforce that? Do you think that is helpful? Or
1,000%. Yeah. I mean, it's without a doubt, mindset, you can, I'm trying to think of a phrase, you can, on your own, you can be surrounded by negativity. And if you have a solid mindset, you can work through that. But when you have a team that's all on the same page with, not just the goals they have, but the mindset and the belief in themselves and the belief in what's possible, I mean, that's a winning formula. Especially when you have, your leaders involved and some of your team involved. There's so much, there's so much negativity in the world, and most of us have, or whether are born with it or develop them, self-limiting beliefs and paradigms about what's possible. So yeah, when you have the whole team involved, I mean, that's a winning formula right there.
Yeah. Welcome to the Inner Blueprint Podcast. I'm Sean Foyer, the Universal Mindset Disruptor. With over 20 years of turning blueprints into thriving home improvement businesses, I've learned that the strongest foundations start in your mind. Whether you're building a business or your own success, we're here to reshape how you think and face daily life, and always remind you to enjoy the ride.